What's good, everyone? It's Amy and welcome back to another video of mine. So as you can tell, I kind of look like a homeless person. I haven't took real good care of myself lately, and I think now is the time to change that. So I guess just follow me along while I turn myself into a princess. I just don't really want to bore you with all these makeup looks and, you know, hair stuff. So I'm just gonna skip to like a couple of clips me doing something and then, you know, just skip to the results, because who cares? Who cares of me applying the same makeup look in every single video? So I've brushed my hair and I'm just gonna, you know, curl it, and I'll be right back. So I had to show you my outfit in front of my mirror because, you know, this room is just too small to, you know, film a whole outfit video. So yeah, that's basically it. I feel so much better, and I don't know why, because every time I put makeup or like a nice outfit on, I get in such a mood and I just feel myself. So you should try it if you're ever depressed about yourself or anything else. Try to just find something that makes you really, really happy. And for me, it's just like putting on a nice outfit, you know, applying some makeup. It just gives me a whole new confident level. Alright, you guys, I guess that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to follow me around on my little YouTube journey, subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. And until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!